महाभारती समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू दी PMA समाचार चैनल from the international world. In Ladakh, China has had to step back of the Indian land which should be repelled by their steps. The Chinese dragon retreated nearly 2 kilometers after it was not successful in its plan after the employment of thousands of soldiers along the lines of actual point. Country positive conversation between Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi and Prime Minister of Australia Morrison argument including defence and technology signed in the virtual committee on Thursday. Education taking the parent advice to open the school. Teachers district in the education department were asked to collect suggestions from the parents, the teachers and the member of the school management committee. Sacrament second lunar eclipse of year 2020 will be held on Friday. Environment. The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest in the world. It represents over half of the plant's rainforest and comprises the largest and most biodiverse tract of tropical rainforest in the world. This region territory belonging to 9 nations. It has been responsible for about 80% of all deforestation in the region or about 14% of the world total annual deforestation, making it the world's largest single driver of deforestation. Invention. A motorcycle, often called a motorbike. Bike or cycle is a 2 or 3 wheeled motor vehicle. The 1885 Right Fashion made by Gottlieb Daimler and Wilhelm Maybach in Germany was the first internal combustion petroleum fueled motor bicycle. In 1894, Hildebrand and Ulf Muller became the first series production of motor bicycle. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary political leader and philanthropist who served as president of South America from 1994 to 1997. He was the first black head of state and the first elected in a fully representative democratic election. His government focused on dismantling the legacy of apartheid by tackling institutionalism, racism, and fostering racial recondition. State. Nagaland capital Kohima, largest city Dimapur. Formation 1st December 1963. Chief Minister New Pihu Rayo. Nagaland is a landlocked state in northeastern India. Here established, also known as grass pea, blue sweet pea, chickling vetch, Indian pea, white pea and white vetch is a legume commonly grown for human consumption and livestock feed in Asia and East Africa. It is a particularly important crop areas that are prone to drought and famine as thought of as insurance crop as it produces reliable yields when all the other crops failed. Flowers. Hibiscus is a well-known flower all over the world. It is known by different names in different regions. In Hindi speaking, it is known as the name Adhul, while in Bengali and Sanskrit it is known as Java Kushum. There are several hundred varieties of these flowers and it was widely used in offerings to gods. In Hindu religion, this type of tree, when flowered, look beautiful and attractive. Fruit. Gigi-Fus Mauritiana is a spiny evergreen shrub or small tree up to 15-meter high with trunk 40 centimeter or more in diameter, spreading crown, stipular spines and many dropping branches. It is a fast growing tree. The benefits of Gigi-Fus morintina helps you better sleep, rich in vitamin C, regulates blood pressure. Mayurasana or peacock pose is a hand balancing asana in Hatha yoga and modern yoga as exercise with the body held horizontal over the hands. The benefits of Mayurasana is Mayurasana provides good strength to arms and backs. It helps in improving the posture universe. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9 times of Earth. It only has 1/8 the average density of Earth. However, with its larger volume and Saturn is over as times more massive. Math calculus, originally called infinitesimals, is the mathematical study of continuous change. In the same way that geometry is the study of shape and algebra is the study of realization of arithmetic operation. It has two major branches: differential calculus and integral calculus. Ayurveda, giloy is an Ayurveda herb has been used and advocated in Indian medicine. Sanskrit, giloy is known as Amrita, which literally translates to the root of immortality because of its abundant medicinal properties. The benefits of giloy is boosts immunity, improves digestion and treats diabetes. From Prema Lok Mission School, Samyak, a student of Prema Lok Mission School, class 4th in PMS Samachar channel, said Sanskrit news and created a history. Today's event: World Environment Day, Hot Air Balloon Day, Sausage Roll Day. Today's temperature in Patna 25 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 27 degrees Celsius. BHU, Banaras Hindu University, formerly Central Hindu College, is a public central university located in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. It was established in 1916 by Madan Mohan Malviya with cooperation from Animation, with over 30,000 students residing in campus. It is the largest residential university in Asia. Sports badge near America's Professional Basketball League. Basketball Association Board of Governors approves to resume in the Florida. Today is for that's all. I take for tomorrow leave. Stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः